I'm just going to briefly go over what's inside of here to show you what it's about. This is the receiver right there. That's an operation amplifier, which is to buffer the signals that are coming from the photoresistor as well as the signal that's coming from the transmitter. Instead of using data out, I use analog out. This actually gave me more outputs than traditionally, which was 4 outputs from the original design. But you can see here that the ports are illuminated, port one and two, which is the rear view, which is reverse and brake light. But if I tilt it up so light can hit it, they just shuts off. Or if I put my finger over it like that, it just stays on. This here is a transistor logic circuit to help determine, to help to help with load, with the load and with the fan out situation. These here are 4 resistors, 4 transistors with input resistors and limiting resistors. These inputs come from the microcontroller into the transistor, which switches the LEDs on based upon this power supply. This is 2 parallel 9-volt batteries. Right over there. This one is also 9-volt batteries placed in parallel. Um, here, here you see that the switch, both negative terminals are attached to the ground connector here, which is a switch. This is an encoder switch. It actually has a set pattern for it to turn on, so it's like sort of like prevention for my nephew from breaking it. I don't know where he's at now, but he's somewhere. This is a 9-volt regulator there. 9-volt regulator, the 5-volt regulator regulates the 9-volt battery that's coming in, which placed in parallel so it lasts a whole lot longer because I had a 9-volt before and it just died almost instantly. And I'm attached to external power there, so we don't have to worry about that. And my controller here, the controller is a transmitter connected out. I'm using SCI out. I'm coming out of the SCI terminal of. I got two Dragon boards, fortunately, so I can do this. So I said I'm gonna do this. I'm coming out of here. I'm coming out of microcontroller signal transmitting from the SCI port output into the data input of the transmitter, and the transmitter then transmits the antenna over to the receiver. But this is also another operation amplifier, which is used to buffer these signals, which is to buffer the toggle switch. I have a 4-point position. I have 1, 2, up or forward, right, reverse, and left, and a push button. I'm sorry, I'm trying to press for time because it takes a while for these things to upload, and saves me trouble. I had to redo this. And yeah, and that's it. All these are inputs tests manipulating through into the microcontroller on into the SCI output. And I'm just going to go to another illustration. Alright, see you later.